Hello everyone, my name is John, and welcome to the Fuzzy Slipper, where today we'll be teaching you how to make the White Russian. Roll that intro. The White Russian is a delightful cocktail for any time of the day, morning, noon, night, whenever you want to contemplate life's decisions. Most people know it from Jeff Bridges' portrayal of the dude in the Big Lebowski, where he had a total of 9 White Russians. Not bad. In today's recipe, we'll be using Tito's Handmade Vodka, Mr. Black Cold Brew Coffee Liqueur, sweetened condensed milk, a little bit of freshly ground nutmeg to garnish, and vanilla extract. We'll start off by putting some ice in this old-fashioned glass here, because we'll be building everything into the glass. Next up will be 2 ounces of vodka. Today we're using Tito's Handmade Vodka from Austin, Texas. Now we're going to add 1 ounce of Mr. Black Cold Brew Coffee Liqueur. A lot of people use Kahlua here. It's a bit sweet for my taste. And besides, we're going to use condensed milk later, so go ahead and sweeten that up. Give it a 15 to 20 second stir to chill it down. At this point, you can go ahead and call it a Black Russian. For a White Russian, we're going to add sweetened condensed milk. Be 3/4 of an ounce. Stir and mix. And lastly, a couple drops of vanilla extract. This is really going to tie it together. And we'll freshly ground some nutmeg to garnish on top. And there you have it, the Fuzzy Slipper's take on the White Russian. I'm John. Make good decisions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified when new content is released. And leave a comment down below. Let us know how you like your White Russians and what we should tackle next. These things are great. It's like the dude went to South Florida and was like, yo, I want a tiramisu and I want a White Russian. He's like, I got you, Bobo. Here's some condensed milk. Enjoy. And I do.